What is an Arduino Uno? It's a small but powerful microcontroller board that lets you make electronic ideas come to life. At its heart is the AT Mega 328P chip, the brain of the Arduino. It reads inputs, like a sensor detecting light, temperature, or motion, and turns them into outputs, like turning on LEDs, running motors, or sending data to your computer. The Arduino Uno has 14 digital pins, 6 analog inputs, a USB port for programming, and a power jack. You can code it using the Arduino IDE in simple C++ commands, then upload your program directly to the board. It's open source, affordable, and perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and engineers. From robots to smart homes, Arduino Uno is where creativity meets electronics.